In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the financial year in Zoho Books step by step. If you're setting up your organization for the first time, adjusting your accounting period, or your business operates on a different financial cycle than the default one, knowing how to change the financial year is really important. The good news is, Zoho Books makes this very easy to configure inside your organization settings. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the option, how to change the start month of your financial year, and what you should check before saving the changes. So whether your financial year starts in January, April, July, or any other month, this guide will help you set it up correctly in just a few clicks. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials and accounting software guides. Now, let's jump right into the process. First, log into your Zoho Books account using your browser. Once you're inside the Zoho Books dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents the settings menu. This is where Zoho Books keeps all the configuration options for your organization, including taxes, preferences, users, and financial settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings panel. After the settings page loads, you'll see multiple sections related to your Zoho Books organization. What you want to do here is locate the organization section. Under this section, click on the option called Profile. The organization profile page contains important information about your business, including the company name, address, base currency, and your financial configuration. Once you're inside the organization profile page, scroll down slowly until you find the section labeled Financial Year. This is the area where you can define when your company's accounting year begins. Different countries and businesses follow different financial year periods. For example, some companies start their financial year in January, while others start in April or July depending on their tax regulations or internal accounting structure. In the financial year section, you'll see an option that allows you to choose the start month of your financial year. Click on the drop-down menu and select the month that your financial year begins. For example, if your accounting year runs from April to March, you would select April as the start month. If your business follows a January to December cycle, you would choose January instead. Make sure you choose the correct start month because this setting affects how reports, accounting periods, and financial summaries are organized inside Zoho Books. After selecting the correct start month for your financial year, double-check the rest of the organization information on the page to make sure everything is correct. This step is especially useful if you're setting up Zoho Books for the first time or making adjustments to your company settings. Once you're confident that the financial year start month is correct, scroll down slightly and click the Save button. Zoho Books will now update your organization's financial year settings. From this point forward, your reports, accounting periods, and financial data will follow the financial year you selected. And that's it. That's how you change the financial year in Zoho Books. As you can see, the process only takes a few clicks once you know exactly where the setting is located. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting software tips, and step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.